Sami with Philip Pelusi Cranberry. This is my model Kim. Today we're going to take her nice golden blonde into a platinum all over blonde with a highlighting technique, and we're going to add some nice light pink tips to the ends. So I'm just going to section her off into a basic 5-section quadrant and start foiling. I'm going to do back-to-back foils just so we can get her as nice and light all over as possible. She's pretty naturally light, but we do have some old color on here. I do want to keep a nice feathered foil so that when it grows out nice and natural. So now that we have her lifted, we're going to apply her toner as well as her pink ends. So what I'm going to do is feather down through with our platinum ice color, and then the places where I want her pink ends, I will feather blush through her pink. So I used our color lock in our formulas today, just to keep it nice and healthy and to lock the color in. I'm going to keep blending this through here so that it's real nice and soft. You want to make sure that you don't just slap it here, pull it down, kind of go back and forth. I like to use my fingers to pull that through. So it just gives you these nice little peaks through there, and blend it really naturally. Just gonna keep going with like the shape of her head. And just kind of taking pieces that I think are going to look best with the pink on it, and everything else blending out. these last couple pieces, I'm just doing more in this front bang area as well with the pink. All right, so there you have it. This is my technique. You definitely want to make sure you're aware of where you're placing your pink, so you definitely need to have a vision of your line going into it. So I kind of just draped it around here so that when she curls it and styles it, it looks very nice. Make sure you're also blending and melting that color out. Use your fingers, don't be afraid to get in there and pull it through. Really work it through that hair. And I also love my wide tooth comb. Pull it through, get that toner all the way through the hair. Get it really nice and saturated and pulled through. And then you just have to let it process.
Perfect.
So here's our finished product. You can see she's nice and blonde. And then you can just see this nice light pink all through around her face. And just a nice little piece on this side to kind of blend her even with a nice face frame. Now you can do this with, doesn't have to be Vivids. You can do it with any toner. You can pull through on a blonde and do a little bit darker to a lot lighter down through just to blend it out, do that nice melting technique to give it some nice dimension. I'm Sami from Cranberry, Philip Pelusi. Thanks for watching my video.
Philip Pelusi, a cut above the rest.